welcome to CH for us. Today we will be learning about Neber rearrangement. So what is Neber rearrangement? It is a conversion of ketoxime to alpha amino ketones by rearrangement reactions. So first, ketone will react with hydroxyl-amine to give ketoxime. This ketoxime will react with Tosyl chloride to give tosylate. Now this tosylate in the presence of base will give an azirine. Azirine further undergoes hydrolysis to give alpha amino ketone. So now let us see the mechanism for Neber rearrangement. First of all, ketone reacts with hydroxyl-amine, where the oxygen here will take the bond from carbon and will get a negative charge on it, leaving this carbon positively charged. Now this positively charged carbon will form a bond with the lone pair of electrons present on nitrogen in hydroxyl-amine to give us this structure. Here, nitrogen is carrying a positive charge. As it is having a positive charge, it will take the bond from hydrogen and will leave hydrogen as H+. Now this H+ will form a bond with the negatively charged oxygen and will give us this structure. In this structure, oxygen will take the bond from carbon and will leave as OH-. As carbon here is getting a positive charge, the bond between this nitrogen as well as hydrogen is shifted here, forming a double bond between carbon and nitrogen and will give us ketoxime. This ketoxime will react with Tosyl chloride, where the oxygen here is taking bond from hydrogen and will leave hydrogen as H+. Chlorine here will take the bond from Tosyl group and will leave as Cl-. Now this positively charged Tosyl group will form a bond with the negatively charged oxygen and will give us tosylate. This tosylate in presence of base will give us this structure, where the carbon here will take the electrons from hydrogen and will leave hydrogen as H+ and will get a negative charge on it. In this structure, oxygen will take the bond from nitrogen and will leave as OTS-. Now the nitrogen here is having a positive charge. Now a bond is formed between the negatively charged carbon and a positively charged nitrogen, giving us azirine. So this azirine is a heterocyclic compound containing 3 atoms, where one atom is a nitrogen. Now this azirine will undergo hydrolysis, where the pi bond is shifted to nitrogen here, giving a negative charge on it, and the carbon here will get a positive charge. Now this H+ will form a bond with the negatively charged nitrogen, and OH- will go and attack the positively charged carbon and will give us 2-hydroxyaziridine. In 2-hydroxyaziridine, the bond between this carbon and nitrogen is taken by nitrogen and will get a negative charge on it. As carbon is getting a positive charge, the bond between this oxygen and hydrogen is shifted here, forming a double bond between oxygen and carbon, and the released H+ will form a bond with the negatively charged nitrogen by giving us amine group, that is NH2. As NH2 group is present on alpha carbon, this compound is alpha amino ketone. So this is the mechanism for Neber rearrangement. For more such videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.